To set up your debits and credit cards, you're going to go to company and then set up company debits and credit cards. And then you can set them up in here. So on the left, you'll choose whether it's a credit card or a debit card. I have one debit card set up in here, and then you tell it what bank account it's tied to. So I would add another one if I wanted to put a credit card in, say it's an American Express, and then I would, instead of a bank account, it's tied to one of your payable accounts, right? So it's tied to probably something called credit card, or maybe it would be called American Express. Basically, you're going to have the name of the card here and then what account it is in one of these columns, depending on the type of card that it is. So I would have American Express and then a credit card. And then I'll click OK.